Boys and girls, this will be a short mini lesson of converting measures. Now on Friday I introduced a method that we could always use with multiplication to convert measures to measures. However, on your FSA district assessment, some of the actual conversions that I expose you to will not be informed. Therefore, we need to use this method here. From a small to large comparison, we will be dividing. From a large to small comparison, we will be multiplying. And it's very basic once you identify the conversion factor. Number one, we have 3 pints equals how many cups? I'm going to continue to utilize, again, a ratio table for all of these problems. I have my units of comparison, pints to cups. Well, I know that 1 pint contains 2 cups. So if I need to go to 3 pints now, how can you get from 1 to 3? Multiply times 3. And do the same from the bottom, times 3. Now, 2 times 3 will give us an outcome of 6. And also, if we go back to this, a pint is larger than a cup. So, large to small, multiply. So, 2 times 3 will give us 6. So, we have 3 pints equals 6 cups. All right, number 2. I'm just going to give you the conversion factor and it's here. Again, still utilizing a ratio table, milliliters to liters. And it doesn't matter how you write this. You can write liters up here to milliliters. What's important is you have your actual conversion factor, the numbers paired with the same measurement. In this case, 1 liter contains 1,000 milliliters. That is correct. And now we need to get to 1,500 milliliters. So going back to this conversion here, we're making conversions. 1 milliliter is smaller than a liter. Therefore, small to large, we divide. So we're going to put 1,000 over 1,500, and we're going to divide this measurement out. So when I'm dividing by powers of 10, always just get rid of how many zeros you can. So 0 here, 0 there is gone, 0 here, 0 here is gone. So now we're only dividing 15 divided by 10. Don't need to do any division necessary. When you have powers of 10, you just move the decimal place. So when you're dividing, your number is getting smaller. So you move it 1 place over because we have 1 0. So 15 now becomes 1 5/10 as an answer. So 15 milliliters, 1,500 milliliters is equivalent to 1 5/10 of a liter. Last problem here. We have 40 ounces to how many pounds? The conversion factor we're using is 1 pound is 16 ounces. Now we need to get ounces to 40. So again, we're going from a small unit of measure to a larger unit of measure. So again, small to large, we're going to divide. So let's just go ahead and divide 40 divided by 16. 16 goes into 40 2 times. We're going to subtract 32. We're going to get a difference of 8. Now you ask yourself, well, 16 can't go into 8. That's absolutely correct. Therefore, you annex a decimal and a 0. Bring your decimal at the top of the division bar. Then you need to bring down your 0. So now 16 can go into 80 evenly 5 times. So we now know the conversion of 40 ounces is equivalent to 2 5/10 of a pound, 2.5 pounds. So again, the method of doing this and the reason behind this is because, again, on your FSA assessment, some measurements that I expose you to will not be, again, written within your FSA reference sheet. Therefore, we're going to use the method of small to large, divide, large to small by multiplying. If you have any questions on Monday, which is tomorrow, we will again discuss this into greater detail. See you all. Have a good night. Bye.